Hello, welcome to TenorShare. Nintendo games have always been our childhood memories. Have you ever thought of playing Nintendo console games on your phone? In today's video, I will show you how to add DS BIOS files in Delta and how to play Pokemon console game on your iPhone. Please note that this video will not provide download links for BIOS and game ROM to avoid breaking laws and copyrights. You can Google NDS BIOS file and game/ROM to get those files. First, let's import the DS BIOS files in Delta. You can Google DS BIOS files ahead of time and download DS BIOS files. Open Delta and tap on the gear icon. Find Nintendo DS under Core Settings. Tap on it. You can see there are 3 BIOS files, Bios7, Bios9, firmware that you need to import to Delta. Just tap each of them and import these files from the location you downloaded BIOS files to. Now we finished the first step. Let's install the Pokemon game ROM in Delta. You can Google game/ROM to get your favorite game ROM file. Once you have saved the ROM file, tap on plus icon and files. Find your DNS file, which represents the ROM data of the game. Finally, open the game and enjoy it. The Pokemon series isn't just Pokemon Fushigi no Dungeon. There's also Pokemon Go, which has taken the world by storm. If you'd like to play Pokemon Go at home without walking outside, you can use ianygo. ianygo is the top location changer, works on both iOS, Android, Windows and Mac. You can not only teleport, but also scan the Pokestops and walk with joystick. Go to try ianygo location changer today. Okay, this all for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to us. See you guys in the next video.